What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning our programming language. My name is QD Azani and you guys watching my channel CorioWood. Alright guys, so if you come here at the https www.rstudio.com, this is where we download the RStudio, so you can do your programming. But if you guys come here, say it says RStudio, you guys can come here. But if you guys R, so that's how the original R looks like in the terminal. So that's how it looks like in my terminal. In Windows you guys can use this one, but because this one is command line, you guys need some sort of software to write your software. So that's how you guys RStudio. This is RStudio. You guys can download it from this. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. It's called RStudio Workbench. So you guys can download your R from this source. And if you guys come here to say and that's how the RStudio is going to look like. That's how the RStudio looks like. Yeah, so that's how the RStudio looks like, and you guys can write command line here, and I'm going to show you guys in the next video how we do the R. So how we going to use the R programming language for machine learning, or learning the basic features and all the commands and functions of R. So if you guys come here and you guys look at the products, RStudio, R server, R packages, cloud, and there's a pricing here. Don't worry about that because it's part of this. Is community ones is free. And if you guys come here and download, and if you guys look at here, RStudio desktop is free, and RStudio desktop pro is 995 per year, and that one's workbench is for more advanced. RStudio server is also free, and at the moment we only, because we are practicing and we are learning, so that one's okay. So you guys can come here, install R. So it requires 3.0, but because we downloaded 4.1, so you guys okay, because you guys we already downloaded. So RStudio download. So if you guys looking for Windows, that's what you guys click. If you guys looking for Debian Windows, sorry, for Ubuntu, this is how you guys do that. So that's for Mac OS, you guys can do that. If I press this and you guys look at here, that it says that you want Debian, so it downloads. So if you guys go here at Windows 10, you guys click this one, it comes in as you guys download, then you guys run the program. Because mine is not Windows and I have already downloaded, so you guys can download from this section. So if you got that, https www.rstudio.com, products RStudio download, and if you guys come here at download page, you guys can download the RStudio. It's pretty straightforward. There is nothing complex about this page. All you guys need to do is go and find this RStudio, and you guys go and download. If you guys go look in the top right corner, you guys see the download, and you guys press download, and you guys can download. And that's how it's going to look like. You can see all your plots, you can see your scripts here, you can see your files here, and you can see your command line here. So there is a 4 section into the RStudio, and in the next video, in the future videos, I'm gonna show you guys what's the 4 parts of this RStudio. Alright guys, that's it with this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.